What should a buyer do 3 to 6 months before applying for a home loan to improve their chances? And what are some small things that can negatively affect a bond application?
The important thing is, are you paying your accounts on time, up to date? Start with your ITC. Go and draw an ITC check. Make sure that everything on there is accurate. Some accounts might still reflect and you have paid it up. Do your own budget. Calculate. It's very easy. There's numerous calculators on the website that you can go onto and see. Okay, I want to buy for 1.7. The estimate installment is 17. Do your budget. See if you can afford the 17, and then go and settle unnecessary debt. Retail account that's almost closed, or your credit card that you have maximized for a reason. I mean, you did some renovations or you went on holiday. Try and get that a little bit lower, not too close to the limit. Also look at the type of debt. Don't open temporary loans at the ATMs. Close those. Leave that out for a while. That all has a negative effect on your scoring. Then lastly, if you can, start saving some money. While you're busy with a home loan transaction, there's always extra costs. Try and get used to that installment, and then make sure that there's no return debits in your bank accounts. Okay, that's also very important.